So many of us are stuck at home as this crisis goes on. Lisa Robertson is here now with a deal that keeps that in mind.
Hi, I'm Lisa Robertson here with Local Steals and Deals, where we love nothing more than finding these small companies with fabulous ideas and introducing you to them. It's like a discovery tour, and I love that. The small company we're talking to today is Lotus Trolley Bags, and Jen and Farzan are the founders, and they're joining us. Hi, guys.
Hi, Lisa.
It is so good to see you. Tell us about this concept.
You know, we were frustrated in our own home with all the plastic bags and cheap reusable bags. They just cluttered my closet and grew mold, and I always forgot them. So we wanted to come up with something that would completely solve for that.
Well, this solves for that and a lot more. So help us understand what kind of getting in the set and how it all works.
So 4 bags, they spread right out in your cart, so you have 2 hands to pack and organize your groceries. There's a deep insulated cooler bag that keeps all your frozen items cold. And the purple bag, my favorite, has pockets to secure 2 dozen eggs and sleeves for your wine and bottles, so you never break those items again. Once you're at your trunk, you just Velcro them and the handles and lift them right out.
Wow. See, I love that because then it serves the function while I'm in the store, so I'll remember them, which is always good. I know we also have produce bags, right?
Yeah, these are matching set of Lotus produce bags. These are washable, reusable hundreds of times, great for all your fruits and vegetables, and eliminates all that plastic bag waste. The average family uses over 1,500 plastic bags a year. This one set can help eliminate all of that waste.
Holy Toledo. So I love both sets. I love the concept of protecting the environment and being more organized.